tax relief, because we talk about tax relief all the time. Could you sort of spell it out, perhaps with some sort of pounds and pence examples of why, when we talk about pensions, we sort of talk about tax relief as being a good thing? Just explain to people what the
Yeah,
is there.
exactly. Well, it is quite commonly, many people have heard the phrase, but they don't understand it. So let's try and explain what it is. And it's a hugely beneficial thing, and it is unique to pensions. The government wants us to save for a retirement. It's good for us because we'll have a better life in retirement, and it's helpful for the state because it would mean less taxpayers' money to help us in later life. And one of the ways in which they motivate us to save is by giving us tax relief on pension savings. And it interestingly celebrated its 100th birthday last year. Pensions tax relief has been around for 100 years. It can sound complicated, but I'd summarize it as free money, a lot of free money. The government gives in the region of £40 billion of tax relief every year to help us save in pensions. So a lot of money, free money. What is it? Let's explain. I'll try and keep it simple. Any money that we receive in income, we will typically pay income tax on that. And I'm going to use some general figures here. Tax rates are different in Scotland and other parts of the country, but generally, let's say if you earn £100, you'll pay about £20 of tax on that if you're a basic rate taxpayer. So you'll get £80 in your pocket. A higher rate taxpayer, you'll pay £40 on that £100 of income, £45 if you're an additional taxpayer. So the amount of money you get in your pocket reduces because of that tax. However, if you choose to put that income into a pension, to incentivize you, the government says, I'm not going to take that tax off that money. That £100, I'm not going to take any tax off, and it's going to go straight into your pension. So there's none of that tax take off of your pension saving. That is the tax relief. And so in very simple terms, if you save £100 each month for 40 years, £100 each month for 40 years, and you're a basic rate taxpayer, you'll receive a boost of £20 every month, £240 every year, or nearly £10,000 boost over those 40 years. In very simple terms, you would not get that money in any other way.